When the revolution needed allies, Han Yerry and the Oneida warriors chose the Patriot cause, scouting, fighting, and helping turn the tide for independence. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. During the American Revolution, most native nations sided with Britain, but the Oneida chose a different path. The Oneida Nation were part of the Iroquois Confederacy, living in what is now New York, skilled farmers, diplomats, and warriors. The Oneida had long trade ties with colonists and distrusted British expansion. Missionaries and diplomacy pushed them toward neutrality, and then alliance. Oneida leader Han Yerry became a key war leader, choosing to fight beside the Continental Army. Han Yerry led Oneida warriors as scouts and soldiers, guiding troops, gathering intelligence, and fighting at battles like Oriskany. The Oneida also fed the Continental Army, bringing corn to starving soldiers at Valley Forge when survival hung by a thread. For siding with the Americans, the Oneida were attacked by British Allied forces. Villages were destroyed, families displaced. Han Yerry and the Oneida helped keep the revolution alive, yet their sacrifices were rarely repaid. Their story is essential to America's founding.